That was a good one. I caught it right in time, I think.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah, I am. It's not like they can't see you on the other video.
It's a great video.
Just listen to your dad in the background.
I should run around and have my face like Colleen.
Ooh, do it.
No, okay.
And then we'll be like, we're acting like Colleen.
Apples.
What?
Well, fake. It's all good. If I drop
They won't bruise. Oh, look at the pretty chandelier. You're vibrating. Wait. It's from Jake.
What does it say?
I'm looking. No. No what? Would you ask?
When's it coming home?
No. Say Dad wants to know. And Mom, because they need you. They're in a dire crisis. It's a 101. It's 102. It's 103. It's 104.
Shut up.
Ah!
That's my judgment.
Back to your dreadwood. How do you zoom in?
Oh, that thingy. Don't zoom in.
I don't think it can on videos. No, you can't.
Should be able to. I can zoom on my other one.
Megan can actually juggle. Wow. Do it again. Do it
Isn't that
again.
juggling, Daddy? No.
I wasn't anywhere in there. I wasn't on a football team.
That didn't count. What? They're fake.
Break the pears.
They're apples. They're green.
Put them back in the bowl. Ooh. Oh, it's too quick.
No, I did not. It's still intact. Look, it's whole.
Oh, do that again.
What?
I didn't get it on video. Do it again. That you're showing your father. No. No, do it like you did it.
Oh my gosh, is there sand in the apple?
Let me see. I want to see.
Look at it.
Whoa, that's kind of close.
Zoom. Oh, Mom's coming.
Okay, I think we're good. You can sit down.
That's cool. Why?
No. Go get a cord so we can put this on YouTube.
We'll turn it off first.
No, let's go get it.
No.
Let's go